This is a problem based on the kinematic equations. There is a 251-meter high cliff at a half-dome in Yosemite National Park in California. Suppose a boulder breaks loose from the top of this cliff. What is the velocity of the boulder just before it strikes the ground? Assuming a reaction time of 0.31 seconds, how long will a tourist at the bottom have to get out of the way after hearing the sound of the rock breaking loose? The speed of the sound is 338 meters per second on this day. Now the first question is the velocity with which the boulder strikes the ground. To find that one, we use the formula Vf square is equal to Vi square plus 2AD. Okay. Here, Vi is equal to 0. And then A is equal to minus G is equal to minus 9.8 meters per second square. And then D is equal to minus 251 meters because the boulder is coming down. I will take it as minus 251 meters. Substituting the values in this equation, we will get Vf square is equal to 0 plus 2 into 9.8 into minus 251. Therefore, Vf is equal to square root of 2 into 9.8 into minus 251. This gives a value of plus or minus 70.14 meters per second. Okay. Now, the next one is how much time the boulder will take to reach the tourist. Time taken by the boulder to reach the tourist. We use the equation again. Delta y is equal to VIT plus half AT square. And then VA is equal to 0. And then delta y is equal to minus 251. I write here minus 251 is equal to 0 plus half into 9.8 minus 9.8 into t square. Therefore, t is equal to square root of 251 divided by 4.9. That gives a value of 7.16 seconds. Okay. Now, let us find out the time taken by the sound to reach the tourist. Tourist here. Again, I will use the same equation. Delta y is equal to VIT plus half AT square. This is minus 251. Is equal to V is given as 338. 338. Again, it is coming down, so I will write negative 338 times t plus half into minus 9.8 into t squared. Okay, so this will become minus 4.9 t squared minus 338 t plus 251 is equal to 0. or we can change the sign 4.90 square plus 338t minus 251 is equal to 0. And then from this t is equal to, substitute the values in the calculator and then find out t is equal to 0.734 seconds. Okay. And then the reaction time is equal to 0.3 seconds. So time to escape is given by 7.16 minus 0.3, he gave 0.31. And then the time taken by the sound to reach the ground. How many seconds are given for the tourist to escape? 6.12 seconds. Okay. Suppose if we take the typical walking speed of a human being, it will be 3 miles per hour or 3.2 kilometers per hour. Okay. Suppose if we take roughly 3 kilometers per hour, then how much distance he will walk in 6 seconds? Convert this into meters per second. Okay, 3.2 kilometers into 5 by 18 gives 0.89. Okay, 0.89 meters per second. He will walk. So in 6 seconds, he will walk approximately around 5 meters. He will walk. The tourist will walk 5 meters in 6 seconds, roughly. Okay. Suppose if he walks 5 meters, he is safe distance from the falling boulder and he will escape the tragedy. Okay. Escape from the boulder. That's the answer. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.